National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, East Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Byram to Skillman to Twin Rivers, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Pearl Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Manalapan, Carteret, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Methuen, Byram, and Jamesburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Somerset and Warren, and Bucks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southern Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bridgeville, or 13 miles northeast of Early, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Milford, Harrington, Lewis, Milton, Bridgeville, Ellendale, Henlopen Acres, Smithville, Cape Henlopen State Park, Andrewsville, Greenwood, Houston, Dewey Beach, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland. The following is a heat advisory from the National for the following counties.